Hey guys, welcome back to the e-commerce roundtable. Paul Samia here. Today I want to talk to you about the power of the thank you page. Okay, just because the customer came through your funnel, bought a few things, doesn't mean that we're done with them. Okay. Before we head over and get started, please make sure to like, subscribe, and get ready to ask me some questions if you have them. Okay. All right, guys, so let's talk about the power of the thank you page. Um, the main thing is, like I said earlier, you don't want the customer to come through, buy a bunch of things, you say thank you, and that's it, they're gone, okay? You caught their email for a reason, right? Keep touching them, keep sending them emails, all right? Once they go through your funnel, all right, you should never assume that they're done buying. You should never assume where your customers are in the buying spectrum, okay? I'm going to show you an example of a very powerful thank you page that I think all of you should be doing. Every single person here should be doing this tactic when someone comes to their thank you page in their funnel, okay? Let's go to the computer and I will start explaining. All right, guys, so this is the thank you page. Okay, this is one of the funnels that I share with you in my course, but I wanted to show you just the thank you page. All right, so someone goes through the funnel. This particular funnel, I think, has 4 or 5 upsells. Okay, so I'm hoping that when the customer comes in, they purchase the first offer. Hopefully they purchase the second offer, and hopefully they purchase the third offer, right? And then when they come to the thank you page, I'm not done with them. Okay, remember your sales funnel is the perfect salesman. Every single page, okay, is the perfect salesman, and you have to keep that in mind when you're building your sales funnel. This is not a Shopify store where they come in, they go from your ad, they buy one product, they see the thank you page, and they're gone, and you never see them again. Okay, this is the complete opposite. All right, so they come through your funnel, they land on the thank you page, and you can see here what I have is, you may also be interested in these amazing products. Boom, 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 boom. And I gave them 4 options, okay? And what these options are, if you're thinking, oh my God, I went through all this product research, now I have to do more? No, okay? Yes, if you want to maximize profits, yes, do the work. The work is worth it, okay? But if you just want to make some extra money here, okay, what you could do is you could drop in your affiliate links for maybe Amazon affiliate. You know, you can sell stuff off of Amazon with your affiliate link there. You can go onto ClickBank. You can find an awesome product there that makes sense with the niche, obviously, and throw the link in there, okay? Or you could do product research on another product and send them to another funnel, which is the most powerful. All right, I laid it out for you in Funnelytics. Let me show it to you. Here it is. All right, don't look at this yet. We'll get to that. I just want you to look at this right now. All right, so you've paid for an ad. All right, the customer came through. You got their email, which is a win, even if they don't buy anything, depending on what you paid on your ad, obviously. Okay, so they came in. They bought the initial offer. They bought the upsell. They bought the other upsell. Everything else they said no, thank you to. And then they come to the thank you page. All right, like I said before, why not, right? Use the thank you page as a tool, okay? Go ahead and from the thank you page, send them to another funnel. Why not? Right? Send them to another funnel. Get them to buy another 5 products from you, right? And then from this thank you page, if they already haven't gone through the first funnel, send them to that one. Or even better yet, send them to your Facebook page. Send them to your YouTube channel. Send them to your Instagram, right? Sorry, I'm getting click happy here. There's no reason at the point of thank you that you should be done with the customer, okay? Every single thank you page, like I said earlier, should be and is a very powerful tool, okay? Should be used as one, all right? Do you see the power behind the thank you page? Thank you for purchasing. Why don't you check out these products? Boom, another sales funnel. You just made another $200, $300. From that thank you page, you go, hey, why don't you join the Facebook group? Or why don't you join, the YouTube channel? Or come check out my store's Instagram. Now you've captured that customer. Now that customer is going to be a hot customer forever. Okay, you don't only have their email address, but they're on your social medias. Okay? So what I'm saying here is use your thank you page. Use your thank you page as a tool. Okay, guys? When someone comes into your store, don't just shake their hand and say thank you for buying and never touching them again. And what I mean by touching them again is contact, okay? That's it, guys. The power of the thank you page. It is truly a powerful page. All right? A lot of people think the sales page is the power, but that's just for that product. Let's keep selling stuff, right? Maybe send them to your Shopify store. Right? After they've gone through your funnel and made 6, 7, or 2 or 3 purchases or 5 purchases or however your funnel's laid out. They don't have Shopify here, I don't think, but we'll use this. Right? Send them to your Shopify store. And then let them do some shopping, which I don't recommend. I always recommend sending them back through a sales funnel. Maximize profit. All right, guys. Thanks again. This has been Paul Samia with the E-Commerce Roundtable. This program here is called Funnelytics. If you're interested, I'll pop a link in the description or the comments, and you can check it out. It's free, and it's pretty awesome. You can map out your whole store. You can create your whole business plan right here. All right, guys, like I said, this has been Paul Samia with the E-Commerce Roundtable. I hope you got some benefit out of this, and I hope you go out and actually use your thank you pages. Okay? Don't just say thank you. Use them. All right, guys. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share if you feel like someone else can get some benefit out of this. Catch you later.